San Francisco's Air has long been one of my favorite travel companies, so I'm really excited to be showing you their brand new carry-on suitcase in today's video. If you know the channel, you know my go-to is usually just a backpack when traveling, but this sleek new roller could change all of that, especially when I'm traveling for a more formal occasion like attending a wedding. This is not a sponsored video, but Air did send me this suitcase to try out. One of my favorite parts about the Air brand is their minimal yet intentional design, and that even starts with the packaging. I love that this box just has the logo, their website, and their motto, Move Smarter. We have a cotton bag that houses the suitcase with the Air logo in the exact same place as it was on the box. A wonderfully aesthetic design choice once again. The 48-liter Air carry-on suitcase comes in at 22.7 inches in height, 15 inches in width, and 9 inches in depth, and it weighs 8.4 pounds. The hard outside shell is made with a Macrolon polycarbonate, which feels pretty durable. The one I have here is in the fog white colorway, but it also comes in safety orange, pale mauve, dark olive, and Air's classic black. It retails for $319 US, and it also comes in a smaller 41-liter version that's priced at $299. Taking a look at the side first, the zippers used on this bag are puncture-resistant, double-layered YKK RCW zippers, which according to Air are 3 times stronger than other luggage zippers. The trolley handle has 4 height settings, so it's easy to roll around no matter how tall you are. There is also a little switch next to the trolley that will lock the wheels so your suitcase doesn't roll away. Such a cool, unique feature that I haven't seen on other luggage like this. In addition to the trolley handles, there are handles on the top and the side of the suitcase as well. The ball-bearing wheels on this thing are top-notch and super smooth, and they come from the company Hinomoto. There's also a nice TSA-approved combination lock to keep everything secure. Now, let's take a look at the inside of the suitcase, which has two sides with identical space. The right side has a nice magnetic fidlock fastener that can be used to compress whatever is packed in this side of the suitcase. And inside this pocket, Air also includes a cool little leather luggage tag. In the left side, there is another large compartment. This one is more flat than the right, since it doesn't have the hardware for the trolley handle in it. All of the liner for the bag is made from sustainable Cordura Recore recycled nylon, which is also Blue Sign approved. There's going to be this smaller padded pocket, and in there, there's also a tiny spot to put an air tag. Lastly, there's this identical mesh pocket for even more organization. And that's going to be the new carry-on from Air. Would you use this suitcase? Be sure to comment below. And if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe, because in an upcoming video, I'll be packing this thing up for a weekend wedding trip.